Hello, I'm Andy Gorman. Every day, millions of computers around the world are infected with viruses. This leads not only to slowdowns, but also to loss of important data, stolen money, and other unpleasant things. These troubles happen to me too, and now I will show you how you can remove almost any virus from your computer, quickly and for free. Modern viruses are so insidious that they disable the built-in Windows Defender and also block it from running manually. Therefore, we will need a third-party antivirus so we can scan and remove malware. The best way is to download an antivirus that does not require installation. I recommend Kaspersky Virus Removal Tool antivirus for this purpose. If you can open the browser and download it on the infected computer, great. If not, then download it on another computer, copy it to a flash drive, and run it from the flash drive on the infected machine. So, find Kaspersky Virus Removal Tool in a search engine. Download the antivirus and launch it. In the initial window, we see that this program is not intended for permanent protection. It is intended for one-time scanning and removal of viruses from your computer. By clicking Change Parameters, you can choose where the scan will be performed. For a quick scan on a running system, you can leave the default parameters. For a full scan, including RAM and hard disk, you can click All Volumes. Confirm. Click Start Scan. The scanning process begins. If unwanted objects are detected, they will be immediately quarantined. In this way, you can get rid of viruses even on an already infected computer where the system antivirus is no longer working. There is a similar program called Dr.Web CureIt. It is also completely free, but to download it, you need to specify your email address to which you will receive a download link, which complicates the process a bit. However, I also recommend using it to make sure that all viruses are removed from your computer. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. It is very important for the development of my channel. Please write in the comments about your computer problems. I will be glad to help you absolutely free of charge. God bless you all!